Can I call Cadence?
No.
Why not? No, I want to tell her.
It's freezing over here.
Are you picking that up?
Whoa.
Kyle, don't get in his sight. Kyle, just don't get in his sight. I'm taking a video, Dad. I'm just letting him walk around. You know you can eat sunflowers like that? I'm taking a video.